welcome to BTC Weekly. Let me show you what I'm looking at in the chart. Please follow me on X, Facebook, and TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. So last week, I spoke about this breakout from this bullish flag or falling wedge, which is a bullish formation. And after we got the breakout, you see that we met with local resistance here, and you can see different times that price was rejected at these levels. Following the breakout from the wedge, we saw this indecision candle, so price could not continue higher, but it did not return back into the wedge. In fact, we rejected from the wedge, showing that we are no longer falling back into the wedge. But last week, what we saw here was price actually broke this local resistance and almost reached the current all-time high before rejecting and unfortunately closing below the local resistance which we initially broke out of. Currently now this week we see this small start, so I'm going to drop to the 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look further and see what the market is telling us or what price action is telling us. So this is the breakout of the local resistance, and we almost hit this current all-time high before we rejected back and fell below this local resistance area, in fact even touching the pivot point of last week. And this week we see that we are currently below the previous circle high. After the initial drop, price went sideways for a bit and then broke this low, but the new low with the previous low, they are not that far apart, which shows that the desire to dip further is not really strong. However, we still see the market moving sideways, probably because of the US elections tomorrow. Everybody is sitting on their hands. Nobody is making any move right now. The pivot point this week is slightly bullish above the previous week pivot point. So right now there is really nothing much happening in the market. The market is just going to remain in a lull. So there's really nothing much happening in the market right now. That's everything I want to show you here. I'm going to keep posting further updates on my Twitter and on my Facebook. So if you follow me there, you'll be able to catch my recent updates as the day unfolds or even the week unfolds, so that you know when I'm going to enter and what I'm doing. Also, feel free to sign up for a free account on the Coin Profit app. There is where I'm going to send a signal if I see any indication that we're going to continue the rally to the upside, sort of continuing the second leg of the bull cycle. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend.